Wow. It has taken us a while, but look at that. We made it through this chapter. On page 209 is the chapter test. I am going to show you how to do some problems, but tomorrow I'm not going to have a video. I'm going to kind of help you out with some of these, but not go through the answers. And then I still want you guys to take pictures of them and send me your work by Friday would be awesome. Okay, so here we go. There are some problems that we are skipping. After I looked at problems 1 through 12, I was like, well, tartar sauce. We never did get to that. Okay, so number 1, here's what you need to know. This is a clue for number 1. The value is going to be the starting amount, a sub 0, and then it's going to be 1 plus the rate to the time. And I know on the book it says just write out the general equation, but I actually want you to solve it. Okay, so actually find value. Okay, I want to see your work. I want to be able to read your handwriting. You know who you are. I want your answers when you take pictures of them to be right side up. You know who you are. Okay, so actually find the value. Don't just leave it as an equation, all right? Number 2, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay, so just remember on problem number 2 to follow the order of operations when you're doing those problems. I do not want any decimal answers on number 2. Click. Number 3, get the same base. And you're like, what do you mean by that? Here's an example. This is not the test question. It's 5 to the x plus 2 and 25 x minus 4. Okay, that is not the problem, but this is just an example. Okay, so this base of 5 is cool. Now this has a base of 5 also, like that. And then, so this is just going to be, and then you can remember, then you can drop the base. Okay, so then you can drop the base. I don't know what that was. And that would just be x plus 2 equals 2x minus 8. And then anybody can see you'd move the x over there, you move the 8 over there, and 10 would equal x. Okay, that is not your test question, but it's doggone close to it, okay? Next. Number 4. Number 4, I'm actually going to set up for you, okay? So here it is. This is the setup. I want to see how you solve that, okay? So show the work, not just the answer. So that's the actual problem. That's how you do number 5. Number 5, yes, I do want you to graph y equals 2 to the x. And then on another graph, I want you to graph y equals 2 to the negative x. Okay, and you're like, I don't know how to graph. I'm not sure how to do that. Well, then just do one of these. This is what I did for my answer key. I just did one of these. Just plug in that, and that, and that, and that, and that. Just make a table. Piece of cake. You can have decimals there. And then on this one, let's be real predictable. Oh, here we go. Yeah, yeah, yippee, yahoo, zowie. Okay, fun fact, fun fact. My license plate in high school, I cannot make this up. My license plate in high school was, that was my license plate in high school. Zowie 1. How about that? I have the plates somewhere. I don't know what I did with them. Okay, it was good. Okay, and then you're like, well, how am I going to graph those? How am I going to graph those? Then you just graph them. Then you just do loop, and then you just go two to the left and two to the right. And I don't think any of the numbers get crazy big or crazy small, do they? I don't even think they get negative, do they? No. Boom, graph it. You'll see it'll look cool. Okay, number 6, skip to my Lou. Number 7, again, you're going to do um, this first. That's a terrible R. R. It's a pirate problem. R. And then for continuous, you're going to do PERT. Okay. Number 8, just use your calculator. Okay, so you're allowed to have decimals there on number 8. Go out to the 10th. No, go out to the 100th. So go out to, like 3.21. Go out to the 100th there. Number 9. Hey, okay, this isn't number 9 per se, but you're like, how do I solve that? There's no variable. So let's just say a problem looked like this. And it said solve that. And you're like, I don't know how to solve that. Then put an x here first. And then remember it's 2 to the x equals 16. And then you ask yourself, hey, x 2 to what power gives you 16? Well, that answer would be quattro. Okay. And you're like, I don't know if I could have done that in my head. Well, that's fine. You could have put, like here, you could have put log 2 to the x equals log 16. And then it would be x log 2 equals log 16. Handwriting's looking sweet. And then it would be x equals log 16 divided by log 2. Okay, so there's a couple ways to do number 9. The answers, both answers to, sorry, all 3 answers are nice answers for number 9. Number 10, just skip that. Just skip it. Number 11, go back and try to figure out how to expand logarithms. And then number 12, I'll give you a hint on number 12. It's going to look like this. Log base 5 of x times x minus 4 equals 1. So then log base 5 of x squared minus 4x equals 1. Solve that. Okay? So tomorrow, no video, no answers, nothing like that. Just more time to work on problems 1 through 12. And then that means Wednesday, then we'll be starting our new packet. And you're like, Blanchard, we don't even have our new packet yet. And I'm like, chillax, you'll get it today. There'll be a separate post. It's going to have days 19 through 28 listed at the top, even though our old packet said days, whatever, 11 through 20 or whatever it was. Was it 11 through 20? That bothers me. Yeah, it was. Okay. So this new packet's going to have 19 through 28. So days 19 and 20 are going to overlap on our 2 assignment groups there. Got it? All right. So Remember, uh, remember everybody, make sure that you like and subscribe so you guys can subscribe right here. And then if you're looking for old videos from our class, you can look right there. All right, so to you, I say, wait for it, wait for it. Wait, did you notice I didn't put any music on this one? And did you also know that I'm living dangerously today because I only single knotted my shoes? Crazy. Waiting for it. 10 more seconds. Oh, gonna get there in just a second. Here we go. Good day.